This is simple tutorial to sweep tool in FreeCAD. Here I have a part of hot end head for 3D printer. This part will be responsible for cooling the extruded plastic. I made a recess on the right side to accommodate the cooling fan. Now I need to add holes to direct the air in the right direction. There are two ways to do this, using the pad function and using the sweep function. First, let's mark the air inlet and outlet. They are needed in both cases. In the case of the pad function, the marking of the hole from which the air will come must be shifted so that the path is covered. Now you need to select both holes and use the pad function. As you can see, both holes are connected, but there are a few issues. The exact dimensions are required to ensure the holes align perfectly, but even with correct data, there is excessive angularity, which is unacceptable for air ducts. For such a simple part, this isn't so bad, but if the shape were more complex, connecting the holes would be more difficult. Now let's move on to a more accurate method. For the sweep function, we'll need another sketch, a path along which the function will connect the holes. Create a sketch and select the B-spline tool by control points. Draw a line of the desired shape that will connect the sections. Don't skimp on the number of points. Once you're finished, close the sketch. Select the starting point and select the sweep function. In the settings window, under Pass to Sweep Along, click the Object button and then click on the sketch with the path. For precision, in the Transform section, select Multi-section mode and add a section with an outlet. Click OK. Done, you now have ventilation. If the path isn't perfect and you see artifacts, go to the sketch and adjust the path, add more points, or move the existing ones.